Tonight, dozens of people in a South LA neighborhood were forced out of their homes because of a water main break. And a few cars were actually swallowed up when the pavement caved in there. The break left behind a lot of damage, as you can imagine. KCAL 9's Cristy Fajardo is live tonight in South LA to show us the very latest. Cristy.
Yeah, Susie, you said it. It did leave behind quite a bit of damage. In fact, I want to show you that right there is the sinkhole. And right now, crews have just lifted out the pipe that burst. You can see it has a big giant hole. And they're in the process of trying to install this pipe here to replace it. But you'll notice right over there, none of the lights are on in the windows of these homes. That's because they've all been evacuated. In fact, 41 people have been put up at local hotels by LADWP, but dozens more are still without water. The sound of heavy machinery echoes through 55th Street. Crews repairing the giant sinkhole that swallowed up these driveways. But the problems stretch beyond the 300 block.
We had to go outside to search.
The Garcia family and 74 other homes have no running water, and that's messing up their holiday preps. Christmas without water? No. I hope they can fix it soon, says Paz Garcia. At about 5 a.m., DWP says a 24-inch water main broke and the ground gave way. This was the aftermath, a street underwater. Our camera even caught a pickup floating and then start to sink in the large hole. At least one other car met the same fate.
I saw like a hole opening and then it just started sinking.
The water poured in and it flooded the whole area around my house.
Firefighters say one person almost fell in the hole. Another had trouble getting out of the water. And to make matters worse, a sinking car ruptured a gas line. Hours later, crews are still repairing the damage. 41 people can't go home. And others, like the Garcias, who have a baby at home, are wondering when they'll have water to bathe and wash again. And right there is the culprit. Right now, again, crews are in the process of putting the new pipe in, but they say it will be at least until Sunday morning before they can turn the water back on. So right now they are in the process of bringing in portable showers. They also have very large water tanks. They hope that will help the local residents. As for the road, we're told crews won't even be able to address that until Monday. Live in South LA, I'm Cristy Fajardo, KCAL 9 News.
Let's hope they have some water by Christmas. Cristy, thank you so much.